So this is a public service announcement to all the roofers all over America. The gatekeeper of your roofing company is costing you hundreds of thousands of dollars. You know, it's unbelievable. Here you go. You're falling behind, right? You got to pay your taxes. It's April 17th, so you might have still not paid your taxes yet, but you have to, right? You drive a big giant truck, so you look the part. How much is your gas, right? Then you got this girl at the front desk that's costing you hundreds of thousands of dollars. So I call these mostly girls, but there's guys too, you know. I call and I'm like, hey, and I explain what I do, you know. And I say, I would like to do one for free. And what do they say? Because they're lazy, because they don't know what the heck they're talking about. They don't know what supplements are. They don't know what estimates are. They don't know how to use Xactimate. They don't know about you having to pay their insurance, having to, you know, put up with all the crap that my son, you know, he has basketball, I need to leave early, I got it. All this different stuff, you know. And then she's blocking you from making $300,000 extra this year in supplements. $300,000. And I'm not kidding. If you are a bigger company and you have someone that answers this is what happens, right? Seth Godin actually wrote about this. He said, you know, it's not my problem. It's not my problem. It's that whole, like, we're owners of companies, so everything is our problem. But the person that answers your phone, they do not care, and they are blocking you from success. They are blocking you from being able to pay off your truck. They are blocking you from being able to put your kid through college. You started a roofing company, and you're sitting back, and you're like, man, I just got through winter. I can't wait for it to hail. But it hadn't hailed yet because it's still April. I can't wait till May or June. What if you could make the extra money? What if you could get the supplement money? What if you got professionally done estimates? I'll do one for free. And that's what I'll say to this girl that's your front desk girl. I'm going to say, hey, I'll do one for free. And she will block you. The ultimate cock block. 2019 is the girl in the front desk. Am I interested? You don't even know what the heck I'm talking about. You don't know. You have no idea. You are uneducated. You've never even been up on a roof ever in your life. And these people that you hire, you are the owner of a roofing company, and you hire someone that blocks you from your success. Unbelievable. Like, think about that. Think about what you're doing to yourself. What if you get a call and the guy that's calling is so professional and so well put together, and he can make you $100,000 extra this year, but you're like, instead of taking the phone call, you know, and if you're not taking the phone call, then you're probably not a computer person, so you probably don't have Xactimate, you know. So how much money is on the table that you're just missing? The ultimate cock block 2019, the person that answers your freaking phone. So ridiculous. God. Free training on my website. 9-module course. Teaches you all sorts of stuff. But the girl at the front, she's not going to tell you. So there's stuff on the website that could change your entire business, but she won't let you know because she doesn't care. Cock block. Super cock block. Hey Joe, have you been cock blocked today? Not yet. Wait, just give it 5 more minutes, man. Keep making them phone calls. You'll get cock blocked real quick. Yeah. Stupid.